Today we will be making ground meat and potatoes. Here are the ingredients: 1 bunch of green onions, 1 bunch of parsley, 1 yellow onion, 1 pound of ground meat, 2 russet potatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic. You will also need olive oil, salt, and pepper. After you've diced everything, you're going to need olive oil, pepper, and salt. So what you're going to turn the heat on your stove to high, and then you're going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So you're going to let the olive oil heat up for a couple minutes. You can see mine is already heated up. And then you're going to take the onions and put them in. Take all of them out. And then you're going to stir them around and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After your onions are a little clear or soft, you get to add your garlic. And let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes. So next you're going to put in your meat, and you have to cook this until it's brown. You have to make sure to break the meat like so. So you have to now lower the heat to medium once it is about this brown. And then you're going to get a teaspoon of salt. And mix it around. And you can add some black pepper. So the meat cooked for about 7 minutes, and it's brown now, as you can see. And now it's time to add the potatoes. So now we're going to drain the fat, because you can see there's a bit too much fat from the meat here. Ask your parents to help you with this part because it has hot oil that's dangerous. So after removing some of the excess oil, we put the potatoes in. And then you mix it around a bit. And we're going to cover the pot, and we're going to check back on them for 10 minutes. So now that the potatoes and meat are all mixed up, we're going to put the cover on. And like I said, check back on it in 10 minutes. So come back and check in 5 minutes to check on your meat and potatoes. And so just stir it around a bit. If your meat is sticking to the bottom, you will have to lower your heat a little bit. And just to check to make sure that everything's cooking okay. You can recover it then and let it keep cooking. Okay, so now that it's been 10 minutes, I'm going to take the cover off and check if the potatoes are cooked. The way to do this is to take a potato and you place it there. And with the fork, you check to see if it can smash easily. Since this one, even though it's mashed, it wasn't super easy, we're gonna set it in for another 2 minutes just to let them cook for a little more.
2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3. You can also add a little water to get the flavors out if they're stuck on the bottom of the pan. So we're going to check back on the potatoes again. So, like we did, get them, and with the fork, smash it. And that was a lot better to smash though, right now. So we will say that the potatoes are cooked. If the potatoes are cooked to your taste, now is the time to add the green onions and parsley. So now you can turn the heat off and it's ready to serve. Bon appetit!